What's up everybody, I'm Scott and welcome back to the Travel and Invest channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Wells Fargo Propel card by American Express. Now when some people think about cashback or travel reward cards, Wells Fargo doesn't come to mind at first. However, last year they did some upgrades to some of their cards and now I believe this Propel card is one of the most underrated no annual fee cards on the market. We're going to get into the details of this card, but before we do, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and also hit the like button on this video. It really helps the channel out. So I was just approved for this card last week. The only other products I have through Wells Fargo is an auto loan, and also I'm a shareholder of the company. It used to be that you had to be an existing customer through Wells Fargo in order to get this card, but now it's available to everyone. But let's get into it. First, we're going to do the unboxing portion of the video, and then we're going to jump into the review of the card. So, as you can see, the packaging is very basic, typical for a no annual fee card. You're not going to get anything fancy, especially when you're not paying a no annual fee. I've already opened up this package so that I can black out some of my personal information, but this is what the packaging looked like on the Wells Fargo Propel. So for those of you who haven't seen what a premium credit card's packaging looks like, I dug up some of my old ones and here's what they look like. First we have the American Airlines Advantage World Elite card, and it's a pretty cool package. Hard protective case, it gets here in about 3 to 4 days. Next we have the American Express Platinum card. Here's what their packaging looks like. Pretty cool, one of my favorites, but that's that. Next, we have the City Prestige. So I like the color of that one, but cool packaging as well. And lastly, the US Bank Altitude Reserve card, and probably the best packaging out of all of the premium cards I've received. I wish I could have shown you more premium card packages, but I threw them all away. I didn't know I was going to be starting this YouTube channel, so oh well. Back to the Wells Fargo Propel card. Now this package came in about, again, 3 days, maybe 4 days, which is pretty typical. Those premium cards came in about 1 day. Some of them took about 3 days, but it's pretty typical. It doesn't take that long to receive the card, so this is what it looks like. Let's open it and check it out. Well, here is the Wells Fargo Propel card. It comes with a typical letter that talks a little bit about the card, the point earnings, the sign-up bonus, and if you can see here, the card is metal. That's right, a no annual fee metal credit card, which is pretty cool. I already weighed it, it weighs 11 grams, and if you're interested in metal credit cards and how much they weigh, I made a video about that and I'll link it in the description box below. So, the Propel card has a sign-up bonus of 30,000 GoFar reward points after you spend $3,000 on the card in the first 3 months. These points are valued at 1 cent per points, making the 30,000 point sign-up bonus valued at $300. Wells Fargo also has a card called the Wells Fargo Visa Signature Card. If you pair your Propel card with the Visa Signature card, your points are now worth 1.5 cents per point, making your 30,000 point sign-up bonus valued at $450. Pretty similar to when you transfer your Chase Freedom points to the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Now, if you look at some of the competitors of the Propel card, the Chase Freedom has a sign-up bonus of $150, and the Citi Double Cash doesn't come with a sign-up bonus. You see why the 30,000 point sign-up bonus that comes with the Propel card is so good. As far as point earnings on this card, it's pretty good. You're going to earn 3 points per dollar spent on flights, taxis, hotels, car rentals, etc. You're going to earn 3 points per dollar spent on dining, 3 points per dollar spent on gas stations, and 3 points per dollar spent on popular streaming services. As far as the perks of the card, it comes with a unique benefit in that it offers cell phone protection. Again, that's pretty good for a no annual fee card. The Propel card is an AMEX card, so you'll get the standard purchase and travel protections, which include extended warranty coverage, return protection, lost or stolen item coverage, accident insurance, lost baggage, and secondary car rental insurance. Now, who do I think this card is good for? I think this card is good for beginners who want to easily earn points and easily redeem points. I also think this is a good card for people in the mid to late game who are searching for sign-up bonuses. Now, I would still recommend people get chase cards first due to Chase's 524 rule. If you don't know what that rule is, I made a video about it and I'll put the link in the description box below. Well, that's all I have for you today. My question for you is, what are your thoughts on the Wells Fargo Propel card? Is this a card you're thinking about getting? Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Until next time, have a good one.